welcome to the Running Trucker. So yeah, you joined me this morning with my indicator on, sorry, and everything beeping. We're in Manchester, we're in Stockport, Bredbury area, and we're just making a delivery of fruit shoots to a local distributor. I'm not too sure if they're a wholesaler or not. It just looks like a little warehouse. So yeah, we're on our way here today. Plans have changed 3 times since this morning. The first drop has always been the same, but the day has just changed completely. But yeah, never been here before, so when I started, I'd never been to any of the drops before. But it turns out I'm going to Wakefield Coca-Cola next, so I have been there, but we'll see if it's any any different than last time. Right, so yeah, this one is called the packaging, storage and processing. Mind your kids. So turn right up here. It's a narrow street. I believe it's right here and then it's somewhere on the left. It's a really narrow street as well. I have to let these cars go. I'm not going to go now, just let me go in. Nip it on the curb a bit, there's no one there. Right, so I don't know if this truck is waiting for me to go in or I've literally no idea what's happening or where I'm going. Right, I need to cut up here on the left. There's a Stobart's over there. The Stobart's on the back end of that building. Can I get through? Because this is the building on the left, yeah. I can't get through there. Right. Second plan. So this is the building on the left. It does look like a little... I don't know, actually. It doesn't look like a wholesaler. But looking at the sat-nav, this left road, well, I have to go left here. This road should go around the back to where the other Stobart's driver is. This is a little bit tight around here, isn't it? Jesus. And it gets tighter. Don't know where I'm going to go here now. I am absolutely stuck. Yeah.
Yeah, mate, you ain't round the front, mate, and park on the front. We've got one in the yard. You're not allowed to park on the road here.
All right, fair enough.
Got to death. So left, and then you first left again. And sit on the front.
Oh,
I'll
yeah.
come and get you.
All right, cheers, mate. Not sure I'll be able to get around there. That van's not helping me out either.
I'll lift your middle axle if you can.
Middle axle. No.
If you need me to back up, I will do.
Yeah, see what happens.
Yeah,
Let's keep the eye on the headboard. Can't believe how tight that is around there. Wow. Right, so this is where I need to be. But I need to get back onto the main road there. What an absolute nightmare that was. And is going to be again. Jesus. So, I'm going to park on the main road. And the guy's going to come round and get me. And we'll do that again. Yeah, that was super tight on the left hand side. Obviously you couldn't see that. But I must have been about that far, maybe closer off the van. And then as I'm turning left, you've probably seen on the videos, the headboard or the trailer, the front of the trailer swings out, and that was very close to the truck, to the point where I had to put his wind mirror in to get past it. So yeah, we'll wait here till he's tipped. I think he was just pulling up then. So yeah, he'll get tipped and then I will go in. Engine off. Speak to you in a bit. Right. So we're gonna just had a shout over then from the forklift driver. I can drive around now. Fingers crossed that truck has gone. That was just crazy tight. That was stupid. And the truck, the van that was there in the corner, was just ridiculous. It's parking on a corner, knowing that you have trucks coming round. Just find somewhere else to park. Absolutely moronic. The truck's gone. Happy days. So I should be able to swing it round. Oh my god. A lot of breakers yard around here. Look at that. Can you see that Porsche? Oh, you'd be devastated. God. So yeah, I think there's going to be a blindside reverse into this place. It's even tight going that far around. Yeah, it's not too bad actually. Yeah, it's not too bad at all. I do have to drive a bit further down here than that would normally look safe. That doesn't make sense. But I need to get the back of my trailer on an angle. Right. There's no point putting the camera on that side because you're not going to see anything. Right, we are done. What a nightmare that was. But again, I do like having the variety and getting in and out of tight spaces. As long as I don't crash, I'm happy with it. So yeah, that was a nice, simple tip. It was only half a load of just fruit shoots, so it was like, you know, straight in and out with regards to the tip. But yeah, plans changed again. I don't know if I mentioned that before, but we're going to Wakefield now. Coca-Cola. I did mention that before, yeah. So yeah, we're off to Coca-Cola Wakefield. I have got a missed call. Why I was just getting the curtains closed, but it wasn't off a Stobart's number, so it's probably, the plans haven't changed on my computer anyway. So yeah, just had another phone call again from the missed call. It was the planner, it was Paul. Plans changed again. So I'm not going to Wakefield, I'm going to Horwich pedestrian.
Warning, 12-foot-9 height restriction in a quarter of a mile on Dean Road.
Lowbridge. So lots of notifications, phone calls to deal with, as well as driving. So yeah, we're not going Wakefield, going to Horwich, which was part of another plan. Like I say, things are quite fluid, usually, unless you've got a set day, which is like Scotland and back. It doesn't really change. But when you're doing the local jobs, things, yeah, are very, very fluid. Yeah, this place is in Horwich, but it's right near Bolton Stadium. If it's the site I'm thinking of, you drive past Bolton Stadium on your left, and then you just turn left, and then it's on your right somewhere up that road. Yeah. So yeah, I'm pretty confident it's the one that we've been to before. I spoke to the planner in the meantime on the way up, and I'm being told I don't need a high trailer. This is a standard 13-foot-1 trailer, 4.1 metres tall. So yeah, that's the Bolton Stadium ahead of us. But yeah, I've been told it's a standard trailer, but we'll see when we get there. Last time I came, I was told, on your bike, go and get a tall trailer. So I had to go back to Trafford and then come back up here. Right, I'll get my high vis on while I'm here. Your dear. High vis on. Oh, straight down, turn up. Thank you. Yeah, so we didn't want to check any references or anything. So it still could be in the wrong place. But again, we'll find out. He didn't even open his window to talk to me then, he just shouted through the window. Go straight up. Right, so that'll do there. Gonna have a chat with him, see what's happening. Good news is, we're in the right place, and we do need a low trailer, like, or load trailer's perfect. Let this guy go past. And we're going to go into the second door that's just opened. Right, let's see what happens. Right. Yeah, so we're going to back straight into the warehouse. A bit tighter because there's some pipes here on the left. So we've not got much space to shoot it straight over there, so I'm going to take a bit of a longer run up, and then I can gradually kick the reverse in, kick the rear in. That makes sense. So again, another tip for reversing from another video: if you want more trailer to be viewable from your right hand side, it's your left hand down, and if you want less trailer, it's right hand down. So a bit of left, so I want more trailer. No, not much. Just going to straighten that up. I like to be straight before I get to the door, just so I can see both sides, make sure I'm not hitting any posts. That's all good. Yeah, so it's a bit of an angle, but I'm going to straighten that out straight away. That's all good. So I'm just going to reverse in now, nice and slow. Both windows open, just so I can hear any screams. Yeah, so I'm going to go fully in, so the forklift can get to all of the trailer. Pretty sure that's it. All done. Right, let's get this unloaded. Sorry, get the curtains undone. Right, so that was a quick tip, or quick load out of Horwich. Yeah, as soon as I backed into the warehouse, the forklift driver was waiting for us to get the curtains open, and he started loading, and he was a very fast loader. So yeah, once one side was done, it was on to the other. Then it was up, curtains out, and he said, "Get out of the get out of the warehouse." So yeah, by the time I got to the warehouse, I was on the road, and then I didn't record. So yeah, so we're back at base. So I'm gonna get parked up. There's no point fueling up just yet because I've still got 95% fuel. I've only done 80 miles. Just double checking where I can park. Yeah, just plenty of spaces. So yeah, so I'm going to get parked up, go and have my lunch. So I'm going to have full 45 minutes here. I am here. It is now 12 o'clock, so the canteen is open. So it's just a win-win. I've got beer actually. Turn around. and we'll get into here. Cabin. Keep it straight. Right, so yeah, lunchtime. See what the plan is after lunch. Speak to you in a bit. Right, so been a couple of hours. Had my lunch. It was had some curry and rice. It was very nice. Very nice. What was I going to say? Yeah. So I had mid break. Planning systems were down. So I've had another, whatever POA, which I still get paid for. Just waiting around. And just been told there's no work. I can go home. So I still get paid me minimum 9 hours, which is good. But that's it for today. So I apologise for another short video, but hopefully I can get these edited like the previous video. I've just been editing that now, so I'm more or less halfway through that. So I'll go and finish that, then I can start editing this one. Anyway, that's behind the scenes. Thank you for watching, and hopefully tomorrow will be a longer day, a more interesting day. I'm going to try and get these short ones done, and I can keep recording then. But yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you've not already, please do. And we'll speak to you on the next one. See you later.